Well, at least you got the start up. I'm so mad at myself right now, guys. Because last time I went to Huntley to film the well in there, I got there at like 8:50 thinking I was going to be able to be there in an hour, but I keep forgetting how fast 90 is. So me not wanting to be there for over an hour waiting for the siren to turn on, I decided to go to Rockford. But then I forgot, my mom told me I forgot the iPass. But instead of just ignoring the fact that I didn't need the iPass, I just didn't take any highways to Woodstock, which is mostly the plan. I could easily get to Woodstock without taking highways and still be there before the test. I decided to stay in Rockford for over 30 minutes, then leave Rockford on the far west side of the city. To the point where now I have to take US 20, get on 90, and I was going to be there, but oh wait, now I have to take a US highway to Woodstock. Which ultimately, even though the GPS told me I would have been there like as soon as the test started, I could have easily just been I should have just easily stayed in Huntley. I didn't mind filming in Huntley, but there was a particular well in Woodstock that I wanted to film. So that ended up me having to pull over on the side. I don't know what this street is. And to pull over on the side of the road and just filming the ambience. It was a good ambience, but that wasn't my initial plan. But it's okay. Illinois is in Wisconsin and only test their sirens until October of every year. So I'm going to have to reschedule a plan to come back up here in January to film the sirens again. I'm just really mad at myself because I really didn't want to film the ambience of the siren. It was a good ambience. They have a lot of Wellens over. I was hearing Wellens all the way around over here, but I really wanted to film this particular Wellen that had a cool tone that I like. So, and it winds down. Huntley's didn't wind down. It actually just automatically stopped. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the ambience though. So, thank you guys for watching.